Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I built Swiggy Clone UI food delivery app using React Native and TypeScript. I built everything from scratch. In this project, it includes home screen, menu screen, card screen, and order confirmation screen. For this project, I used React Native CLI, TypeScript, React Navigation, Redux for state management of the cart. I used royalty-free images from different websites like Unsplash, Pixels, FreePic, Vecteezy, and I designed them. I stored the images in the Cloudinary website to get the URLs of the images. Okay, let's start with the home screen. In the search bar, I have added a functionality for this placeholder. It changes for every 2 seconds. These are the banners. We have different food varieties like pizza, biryani, dosha, burger, meals, sandwich, momos. These are the fast delivery items. Here we have a restaurant name, rating, food delivery time, these are cuisines offer. We can like the restaurant also. Let's explore the restaurants. Yeah, we have different kinds of restaurants here. These are the different food types like biryani, pizza, cakes, burgers, ice cream, North Indian meals, momos, South Indian food, noodles. This is a quick filter section. Like we can filter the food items, filter sort by food in 10 minutes, offer ratings, pure veg, non-veg, cuisines. Here, these are the different restaurants. We have Biryani Trails, Sriruchi Foods, Biryani Point, Balaji Tiffins. Okay. Here, we have a restaurant name, ratings, location of the restaurant, distance from the user location and the cuisines, price for the items, food delivery time. We can like the restaurant also. If I click on this, if I click on this restaurant, it will navigate into the menu screen. Here we have the restaurant details and the coupon code. This is a search bar for the restaurant. Um, if I click on this menu section, we can see them different menu sections like recommended rice, veg starter, non-veg starter, seafood starter. These are the menu food items in these menu sections. Let's explore the food items. If I click on this recommended, we can see the different food items like paneer 65, chili chicken, special veg biryani, chili paneer, chicken 65. If you observe here, there's an icon which shows that whether the food item is a veg or non-veg, like green for the veg items and the red color for the non-veg. This is the name of the food item, price, rating, is the description like calories of that food item. Let's explore the other food items. Here we have chicken fried rice, egg fried rice, veg fried rice, jeera rice, the veg starter. We have paneer 65, chili paneer, the non-veg starter. We have chili chicken Andhra style, chicken lollipop, chicken leg roast, the seafood starter, Apollo fish, chili prawns, and we have disclaimer also. If I click on this add button, uh, item is added into the cart. For this part, I have used Redux for the state management, like for the cart functionality to add the item into the cart, to increase or decrease the quantity, remove from the to remove item from the cart, to clear the cart. Okay, here we can increase or decrease the quantity. Here we can see that. Let's select the items. Okay. Uh, if I click on this button, it will navigate into the cart screen. Here, uh, here we have the restaurant name, and this is the address of the user. These are the food items that we added into the cart. Here we can increase or decrease the food items. These are the additional information, like we can add the items, cooking request, cutlery opt-in. In delivery type, we have standard and echo saver. We can select any one of them. In tip, this is a tip given to the food delivery person. These are the instructions given to the food delivery person. Here we have the complete bill information of the food item total, delivery fee, extra discount for you, delivery tip. Here we can add the tip, GST and other charges. This is the final total amount that need to be paid. Yeah. If I Here we can see that if I click on this proceed to pay button, it will navigate into the order confirmation screen. Here we have a logo and thank you message. If I click on this browse restaurants button, it will navigate into the home screen. Yeah. Thank you.